Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how I got this look using the KKW beauty palette. This is the classic one. I'm going to go ahead and dip into this first shade right here called Fade. It is a muted yellow color. I'm going to put that all over my brow and then blend it downwards into the crease using this large fluffy blending brush from Morphe. Next I'm going to take the next shade, which is called Selfish, and place that with the same exact brush in my crease and blend it upwards towards my brow. Now I put the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme on my lips because I like to plump my lips while I'm doing my eyeshadow, so that way by the time it's lip time, my lips are ready. The next shade is Chicago, and I'm going to pat that all over my lid. And I'm going to use a setting spray to make it more metallic, and this is the Dewy Finish setting spray. So I'm going to go ahead and put the eyeshadow on my brush, then spray it with the Dewy Finish setting spray, and then apply it to my lid. Dipping into Family, I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my outer V and really build up that color and then blend it out. Taking that same exact shade Family, I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my lower lid. I'm really building it up, blending out, using a larger fluffy blending brush, and then taking this dark shade right here called Gemini with a flatter brush, and I'm going to apply that to the lash line on the bottom. Using Gemini again with the same exact brush, I'm going to go ahead and start to create a smoky eyeliner on my top lid and dragging it out just a tad. Now I'm just using a blending brush just to blend the edge a little bit. I don't want it to be too defined in that area. And then I am going to dip into this shade right here called Saint, and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. I'm going to apply my lashes offline. These are just some really large lashes that I got from the beauty supply store. Now I'm going to apply a nude pencil to my waterline. This is the Rimmel Scandal Eyes pencil. Then I'm going to jump into the face. I'm going to use the Plump and Prime primer as the base for my foundation. Then I'm going to use the Too Faced foundation in the shade Warm Nude. I'm going to pair that with the Born This Way concealer in Light, and to set I am going to use my Dermablend Professional Loose Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Translucent, I believe. For all the areas I don't put this powder, I'm just going to use my Stay Matte powder by Rimmel. I'm not showing my foundation routine on the video because I feel like it's just been overdone on all my videos and it could be very, very repetitive. But if you guys want to see the foundation routine in the videos, definitely leave me a comment down below if you do enjoy that part, and I'll put it back in. For my contour, I pulled out this baby. This is, I haven't used this in a while. This is just the Pro contour palette. I'm just going to go ahead and take that shade and just bronze up my face, the perimeter, contour my cheekbones. I definitely hit that jawline because, you know, I put on a little bit of weight. So, you know, I'm going to try to make it seem like my face is thinner than what it is. After I'm done contouring my nose, I'm just going to go ahead and set the contour powder that I put on the side of it with that Dermablend loose powder, and then let that bake. I'm going to take the contour brush that I was using. It barely has any product left in it, and I'm just going to brush off all of that loose powder that I had on my face just to blend everything together. I've been doing this lately rather than just using my regular powder brush. I like to use the contour brush. I feel like it does add a little bit of shade to the powder that I use, so I don't look as, you know, pale well. Now for my blush, I'm going to use my ColourPop Fashion District blush and apply that to the apples of my cheekbones and then blend it up towards my temple. I'm also going to add the blush to the tip of my nose as well. And then my eyebrows got a little washed out with all the powder I was using. So I'm just going to go ahead and darken up my eyebrows just a tad. And I'm going to jump into my highlighter. For my highlighter, I'm going to use my Ofra. This is the Milk and Cookies. This is a collab with Steph Toms. I'm going to go ahead and use that side. And I'm going to apply it with a small blending brush to highlight my cheekbones, the tip of my nose bridge, a little bit above my eyebrows, and also my chin as well, just a tad. To set all of this, I'm going to use my Milk Hydro Setting Spray. Definitely shake this up. You could see the separation, so shake that up before you use it. Mist it all over, you're good to go. For my lips, I'm going to go ahead and use this Boutique lip pencil that came from Beauty Supply Store. It is a natural lip color shade. And then I'm going to pair that with the Morphe Madison Beer Mars lip gloss. This combo is like perfect. The colors go so well together. I did go ahead and wipe off that lip injection lip gloss that I had on before. You don't want to keep that on because then everything's just going to slide around. You don't want that. So I did wipe it off before. Then I'm filling in my lips with the lip liner and then pairing the lip gloss on top of it, which looked awesome. I really love how this look came together. That KKW Classic palette is really amazing. I did 3 to 4 looks with it so far, and I really like all the shades in it so far. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button. It really helps me a lot. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I would love for you to be a part of the Makeup Love Life 85 family. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Bye.